Suppose you have an unfulfilled order for a Shopify SKU that is linked in the app. Navigate to your Shopify store and change the fulfillment location to the custom one created by the app, then request fulfillment of the order. Once done, you will notice that the order status gets changed to fulfillment in progress, and by scrolling down in the timeline section, you can view your activity of requesting fulfillment. After your request, the app will check and accept the order. If it can be fulfilled, then the order acceptance message will be displayed. Once the order is accepted, it will be displayed in the order listing section within the app, and you can verify it with the order name. You can navigate to the order details page to view the ordered Shopify SKU. Its counterpart linked MCF SKU, along with the other. You can also view the count of orders in a particular status. Once MCF ships the order, its status changes to shipped in the app. View the order to find the tracking details provided by the MCF. These details will be synced to Shopify as well, and you will notice that now the order status is fulfilled along with the tracking details provided by the MCF. This summarizes the order flow when your products are linked in the app.